My name is Emanuel Björne and I'm CEO of Hansa Medical based in Sweden. We made a discovery a couple of years ago. We discovered an enzyme called Ides. Ides is an enzyme originating from a pathogenic bacteria called Streptococcus pyogenes. This bacteria causes impetigo, it's a skin infection in small children mostly, and a throat infection usually. The bacteria uses this enzyme called Ides as a defense mechanism against IgG when it's trying to colonize inside the human body. It's very unique. This enzyme has strict specificity for IgG antibodies. So, if we take out the gene from the pathogenic bacteria and put it into a harmless bacteria, E. coli, and produce it, we can develop this enzyme as a drug to use as an injection whenever you have to remove pathogenic IgG very fast and very efficiently. So the indications we're developing Ides towards are sensitized patients in kidney transplantation. These are patients that are waiting very, very long to become transplanted. They're kind of stuck in dialysis just because of high levels of anti-donor antibodies. So these patients often have to wait for 10 to 20 years to get transplanted. I think the record in Sweden is 28. But usually these patients die earlier than the other because of cardiovascular complications due to dialysis. We also investigate if we can develop this enzyme as a treatment in rare autoimmune diseases like Guillain-Barre syndrome and anti-NMDA receptor encephalitis. Those indications are also highly driven by pathogenic IgG. We're just finalized a phase 1 study with Ides in 29 healthy in Sweden, and we're about to start a phase 2 in sensitized patients in Sweden. We will most likely conduct studies in the United States this year or the next year as well in transplantation. And we're also planning for phase 2 studies in the rare autoimmune diseases as soon as possible. We just attracted the investment capital necessary to conduct the phase 2 trials in transplantation, and hopefully we can use some of that money to conduct phase 2 trials in autoimmune diseases as well.